We are taking off press-ons today. I'm going to do 2 methods and see which one works better and faster. So let's jump in, but first subscribe to my channel for more nail videos. Okay, so I've had these press-ons on for like 8 to 9 days, so a week and a half, and my thumbs just popped off this morning when I was changing sheets, but the rest of these are good. No lifting in sight, and I have been rough with these bad boys. So kudos to Luxie, great nails, great glue. So let's get into the first test. It's one we all know. I put cuticle oils on my nails first, and then I filled a bowl with warm soapy water and olive oil. This is supposed to help the glue naturally lift, and you can just pop them off with no damage. However, the first time I tried it, I was soaking for hours and nothing really happened. So I was hoping for better results this time around, but I told myself no more hours. I'm going to give it 20 minutes, and if it doesn't work, we're moving on. So 20 minutes later, you can see that as I'm trying to lift them up, it is lifting a little bit, but not nearly enough for a damage-free pop-off. So I'm moving on to the second test. Now this is a foolproof, damage-free method for me, but just know that if you do this, you can never wear these press-ons again because they will dissolve. So the first method may take a really long time, but you do get to keep the nails. The second method is really quick and damage-free, but you don't get to, so it's up to you. Now this one is just a regular old soak-off. So I'm gonna wrap my nails in acetone with foil and a nail clip, and then I'm gonna soak with heat for about 15 minutes. Now, my heating pad is my secret weapon. If you watch my gel nail removal video, it just cuts soaking in half. But 15 minutes later, I test it and pull it up, and you see how much comes off. Now I'm going to use this cuticle pusher to push up anything that's left, but because it's so gummy from the glue, it is a little difficult to remove. So I had a bit of a big brain moment, okay? So I soaked a cotton ball in pure acetone and used it to pull up the rest of the product, and look at that. It comes off so easy, just a couple of swipes. So I feel like a genius. You are in the presence of a genius. I'm just kidding. I know I probably didn't come up with it, but I feel like one. Now, wait for that cuticle oil reveal. 3, 2, 1, bam. Damage-free nails, and it didn't even take that long. So make sure you subscribe for more nail tips and like this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.